Welcome to QCT booth at COMPUTEX 2026. As a building block for frontier of AI initiative and the core of Vera Rubin AI cluster to foster AI factory deployment. Vera Rubin is purpose-built for a large training model and agentic workloads that demands unprecedented computing power. Built on the cutting-edge NVIDIA Vera Rubin platform, the QuantaGrid D76V-1U provides the foundation of compute core with elevated inference and training performance by NVIDIA Rubin GPU and NVIDIA Vera CPU, increasing HBM4 memory with 20.7 terabytes at 1.6 terabit per second for more bandwidth and higher throughput. By unifying 72 NVIDIA Rubin GPUs as a giant GPU in a rack, the NVLink domain is elevated to 260 terabit per second for GPU connectivity and scaled-up network performance, which is double from the last generation. It also delivers up to 3,600 petaflops of NVFP4 inference compute, driving extreme scalability for agentic AI and larger model training. For east-west connection to scale out across rack to rack, the platform integrates NVIDIA Connect X9 SuperNIC, delivering up to 1.6 terabit per second network bandwidth per GPU, ensuring scaled-up bandwidth and low latency connectivity for optimal data flow across hyperscale AI clusters. Engineered to maximize efficiency, the QuantaGrid D76V-1U features a 100% liquid-cooled manifold direct-to-chip through a cableless and fully blind-mated system architecture. Not only meets rigorous sustainability goals, the Vera Rubin NVL72 platform further optimizes assembly process and manufacturing turnaround time. Following the modular philosophy and leverageability, NVIDIA MGX rack platform delivers its disaggregated and open ecosystem framework. Aligned with the path, QCT provides an agile deployment path to accelerate time to market and ensure a seamless transition to the future hardware innovation. Supercharge your AI journey and build the foundation of Vera Rubin AI cluster with QCT.